Put a car cleanup station on any seatback with the high-road Puff'nStuff car seat organizer. Easy to reach from the front seat, the Puff'nStuff holds up to 2 gallons of trash and a standard or family-sized tissue box. Installs in any vehicle in less than a minute. Place a tissue box face down into the bottom compartment and secure it in place with the hook and loop strap. Turn the Puff'nStuff and wrap the strap around the headrest post and secure the buckle. The strap can be adjusted to have the organizer sit higher or lower on the seat for best reach. 2 side compartments provide added storage, with cinch-tight cord locks to keep contents secured while the car is in motion. The top trash bin has a unique spring-framed opening that stays open when filling and closed when needed to keep trash out of sight. And it's leak-proof to prevent unsightly spills and stains. The high-road Puff'nStuff car seat organizer is the street-smart solution to keeping tissues, bottles, and car trash off the seats and car floor for a clean, contained, and clutter-free ride.